Winds of change are blowing through Gadchiroli, one of Maharashtra's most remote districts that was once affected by left-wing extremism. For the first time in 77 years since India's independence, a state-run passenger bus reached the tribal village of Kategaon. Once haunted by the sound of gunfire, now the village resonates with the sound of a bus horn. DD India Somesh Patel reports.
Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation launched its first ever bus service to Kategaon village in Gadchiroli district. The new road connects nearly 30 villages including Chandgaon, Dhanora, Pendri, Murumgaon, Dharekera and Kategaon. The bus operates twice a day between Gadchiroli town and Kategaon. Long associated with Naxal violence and inaccessibility, this border region near Chhattisgarh is now shedding its old image. Kategaon, a tribal majority village in Dhanora Tehsil, was once a place even government vehicles hesitated to enter. Today it hums with the rhythm of a bus on the move. Local residents are visibly elated. They say this long-awaited service has transformed their lives. Children no longer need to walk miles to school, and access to healthcare is now easier. We never imagined a bus would reach our village, says Ganesh Koyale, a local teacher. This has made everything simpler, education, healthcare, even going to the market, he says.
हमारे गांव में बस भेजने का तय किया उन्होंने, बहुत खुशी की बात है। हमारे गांव के बच्चे या हम कोई किसान महिलाएं हम बाहर जाने के लिए हमको बहुत बोले तो तकलीफ हो रही थी।
Staff operating the service say that ever since the launch on April 26th, it has seen consistent demand and is now a lifeline for residents across nearly 30 villages.
यहाँ जो पुलिस स्टेशन है कटेझरी में, वहाँ से डिमांड हुई थी कि हमें एक बस चाहिए कटेझरी के लिए, तो उनकी सेवा के लिए और वहाँ से कुछ पैसेंजर्स होते हैं उनके लिए उनकी डिमांड पर हमने सर्वे किया और उसके बाद 26 अप्रैल 2025 से ये बस शुरू हुई है।
According to Kategaon police station in charge Ajay Subhash Bhosle, this area was once completely under Naxal control, but because of continuous efforts by security forces and local administration, the situation has improved significantly. Once marked in red on the map as a danger zone, Kategaon has now turned a new chapter. This bus isn't just a mode of transport, it's a symbol of long-awaited development, resilience, and triumph over fear. Kategaon today reflects the new face of India, where democracy, development, and trust move forward together. The arrival of the bus is not just about improving connectivity, but also a testament that this region is finally stepping out of the shadow of Naxalism.
For the first time in 77 years since the independence, government-run passenger bus service has been launched in Katejheri village of Maharashtra Gadchiroli district, once renowned for Naxal fear and violence. The region is now witnessing fresh wave development. Somesh Patel, DD India, Gadchiroli, Maharashtra.